Hi there, welcome in. My name is Mariah. I'm a bookkeeping expert and I help other people learn bookkeeping and find their own version of time and income freedom through having their own business. Today, we're going to talk about how you can get your certification in bookkeeping totally free. The certification that I recommend is the QuickBooks certification. It is the easiest to access, it's free, and you're also going to get some training. Your first step before you jump into certification, though, is going through the QuickBooks training. So that's going to take you section by section through the software to make sure you know how to use it, because that's the biggest part of working with clients is knowing how to use the software when you get in front of them. Okay. So the certification usually takes about 2 to maybe 6 weeks, depending on how much time you have to dedicate to it. It is online and self-paced. I do have a free 3-day workshop where on day 3, I show you exactly where to go to get certified. I show you exactly what modules to opt into and how to take the certification exam. So if you want more resources, there's a link in my bio where you can join the free 3-day workshop. Instant access, totally free. All I need is your email and that's it. Another great perk of certification is going to be that once you're certified with QuickBooks, you're actually in their directory. So other QuickBooks users and other businesses can find you. That's a great way to get clients. It also gives you a professional website. I use that website and recommend my students to use that website as like a trust builder, especially when you're working remote and online. And also, I think another great thing about certification is that it's going to build that confidence for you, because you're going to have hands-on practice. You're going to practice with a sample client. You're going to take an exam. You're going to go through these steps, because a lot of times as a beginner, a lot of not jumping into something is fear, and it's fear of being able to do it. And it's fear of, am I going to be able to learn it and all of that. So this certification training process is going to help you feel more confident. It's going to help you feel more prepared. And it's also going to build trust with clients, because on your profile and for your business, you're going to be able to have all the certification badges listed. So that just builds a bunch of trust, and that also will make you feel more confident. Another great reason to get certified is that when you're in QuickBooks certification system, you're going to get all of their updates. You're going to get access to training as they make any changes to the software and all of that. Bookkeeping is mainly learning QuickBooks and getting certified. Like, that's the biggest part of it. Once people have done that, they're ready for that phase 2 where they can set their business up and get clients. So the QuickBooks Online certification is what I recommend. I want you to jump to my description and click on the free 3-day workshop link. You'll get instant access. All you need is your email. And what that's going to do is on day 1, I'm going to talk to you about exactly what bookkeeping is, how to do it using software, and what the business model looks like. So that's on day 1. On day 2, I'm going to walk you through what it looks like to do bookkeeping for a client from start to finish. And then on day 3 is going to be your 30 to 60 day launch plan meeting strategy session, where I'm going to teach you step by step. This is where to go to get the QuickBooks Online training. This is where you want to go to get the certification. This is the one I recommend. And I also go more in depth of how to set up your business, and I teach you exactly how to get clients. So it's a great opportunity. It's totally free, and it's inside my 80,000 member school community, so you can join and access from anywhere. A great thing about bookkeeping, though, is the business model. Once you have the certification, then you can offer services. And the top 3 services you're going to offer is a QuickBooks cleanup and a QuickBooks setup. That means they have QuickBooks, but it's not up to date, or they don't have QuickBooks and it's not up to date. So those are big one-time projects. So it could be 5,000, could be 10,000, depending on how far back you're going. And then that client will move to a monthly service where you get that recurring income. So bookkeeping is perfect if you're looking for anything to do remotely, if you're looking for flexibility, if you're looking for income freedom where it's high paying earning potential with less clients. It's the perfect industry. And it's been that for me and thousands of my members that I have helped. And that business model is going to allow you to work with a lot less clients while earning more, because not only are you getting that project income, but you're getting that recurring income as well every single month. So it's totally worth it to go through the process and learn QuickBooks and get your certification, set up your business. The whole process of getting certified, setting up your business, and being ready to work with with a client takes about 30 to 60 days if you're consistently putting in the work to work towards that. So if you have any questions, you can always put it in the comments. Please jump to that link if you're interested in the free 3-day workshop. And I am happy you've been here with me this long. Most people don't make it to the end of a video, so bookkeeping can be a great fit for you. And if you just needed somebody in your corner to tell you that, I'm happy to do that.